welcome back to Cabocribs YouTube channel. We're back at the La Jolla house to show you guys the advancements in renovations. If you've been following our newsletters, we've been sending some update videos on this renovation that we started a few months back, and I want to show you the advancements in the renovations. It's just looking amazing. The pool is starting to form. You can see they're building a gazebo. The roof is pretty much all done. The master bedroom looks amazing. So let's go on inside and check it out. All right, so as you can see, the exterior of everything has pretty much all been smoothed out. As you remember, it was all that popcorn stucco. The roof is done. This side is almost done here, so this is the last to be done. I'm gonna take you guys through the house now. I'll take you up through to the master bedroom first and show you the, it's almost done. I mean, it looks amazing. All right, so here we're at the main level now. It looks like they're just getting ready to put the flooring in. As you can see, all the walls have been done. All the gyprock has been done. And they're just cleaning up and putting the rebar in to put down the flooring. As you remember, this was a wood staircase before. Now it's concrete, and they've taken out this, there was like a little storage thing here underneath the stairs, which they've taken out to make a little bit more of an open concept here. And they've put in this metal staircase, which was really cool. I wasn't expecting that. So, try to get up the stairs here without falling. All right, so as you can see, the flooring is all done. This is a master bedroom. This thing is huge. Look at the size of this thing. I'll take you up to the view in a minute. So here's the master bedroom washroom and closet area. So it's gonna be his and hers closets in here, built-ins. It's beautiful tub, nice, awesome shower. Some more storage there for linens, toilet. This is amazing. It's really coming together. Here's their deck. Look at this deck. This is just for the master bedroom. See, the roof's all done, all brand new. And that view. Look at that. Yeah, you're going to be able to just jump right off the master bedroom into the pool here. It looks like a good 6 feet deep pool. I'll take you guys downstairs now. And I don't think the downstairs has changed too much other than the pool area. The downstairs area outside, I mean. Try to get down there without falling. Kitchen is almost ready for cabinets. So we're getting close to the finishes. There's their hot tub that's going to flow, a little cascade into the pool. And this is something that I didn't know they were building, and they're going to build a little gazebo here for barbecue area. All smoothed out, ready for the pocket doors. All the electrical, all the plumbing, everything has been done. And you got a beautiful view from down here, and you get a beautiful view from upstairs. So all the bedrooms in this house have really spectacular ocean views. Okay, so we're not gonna reveal to you quite yet what we paid for this house, what my clients paid for this house, how much money we're putting in renovations, and the value after all these renovations are done. I will tell you right now that the house just next door just sold for just under $1 million. And I know that because our company sold it. So Stay tuned for the next renovation video. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. My name's Leroy Jarvis, and have a great day.